Friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to add animation to our app. We have added animation through Tailwind CSS custom classes. But in this video, we will use Lottie Animation files. This is a modern way to add animation to our app, and it allows so many configurations and features to interact with animation directly. So let's start. We need to go to the npm website, npmjs.com, and then you search for Lottie. So if you search it, it will give you different options. And we are going to use Lottie React. That package we are going to use to add Lottie animation. So first, and it will show you. So it's very popular. It's a quite download per week. So we are going to use and first install the package. I have installed and downloaded the npm package, and now I also created component file. There are many ways to use this package. The first one is we could create the component and use it, or we can also do it through hook. But in this video, as this is introductory video, we will create the component file and use it. But as we go to add more features, we will need the hook because we are going to add many and play, pause, or add the durational actions component file. So first we need to copy this import. I have copied it, just putting it here. Now definitely we need to export this component file. So for that I'm just using export default function and then just using the same name as file name, and then we need to return something for now. So I'm going to return and then just the text. This is Lottie animation. Alright, so that is done. Now we have to check how we need to import the component. And for that we are going to do, so I'm importing on index file for now. So I already imported it, and component we need to use it, so I'm going to use it. Alright, so this is Lottie animation. We might need to just disable the animation. So we already created component, imported it, and we could see on the page we already also enabled the package we need. So the next step is we need to add animation file, and for that we will go on .com. If you go lottiefiles.com, you might need to log in. You might need to create the account to download the file, but I already created the account and already logged in, so I could just search for the animation. So we are going to use the dog animation, but you can search for any animation like cat or speaker, but we want to just first test this out, just to see how we could include the animation file. So there are a lot of animation available here. Like you can see, there are a lot of pages with animation, but as this is just an introductory test, we would go with this one. And there are a lot of different things you can directly use the Lottie animation URL. If you are using HTML file, and you can change the color, and a lot of things you can do here as well to adjust the design. But for now we will just go ahead, and you can see Lottie JSON file. You can download this. So I click on download and it will be downloaded. then we can use it. Already downloaded that JSON file and I put under animate. I just created the folder and put under that folder. Now we need to import it. Uh, import similar like this. So I'm going to give name dog walk, and then we need to provide the exact path. So I'm going to say components, and then we put under the animate, and then we have file name dog walking.json. I mean, we could put any file name, but I put the dog walking. That component has been defined. So we will exactly go and add the same thing. So I will put here and put main div here, like div, and then close it. And instead of this one, we need to put dog walk, and that's it. So our component has been completed, and then we already imported it. We could see here the page. So you see, this animation is on the page. Now definitely you can style it, you can assign the proper width and height, but this is just a dog walk animation. You can even use the clicks, like when you click it, it would pause, and when you click again, it would play. So you can enable that control as well. Like if you go here, you can speed, like it would be like running, and lot more configurations you can do it. So on pause, it stands there. Now you play again, it's playing again. Then you pause and play. So all this feature you can add into your app in your component, and for that we will use the hook and add all these features. But this is just an introductory video, like how you can use this package and load the files into your app, because this is a very interactive animation, and also you can do a lot more by adding just little bit configurations. You can change the colors and lot more things you can do. You can change the colors to black. um, you can even put the different color here like this. So there are a lot of different customization you can just do by clicking through it and adding configuration, um, which will use all these features and configurations in our next video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next